Hi, Chad and Julie with the Knowles Woolsey team. Welcome to our newest listing at 127 Grove Street.
Now guys, you may be thinking who's going to buy this property. It's going to be one of two types of investors. Someone looking to own or occupy the main floor and rent out the lower level, or someone looking to buy the property and rent out both units, benefiting from cash flow, mortgage paydown, tax savings, and the added bonus of inflation.
Come in and check it out for yourself. From an investment standpoint, nothing gets quality tenants like great outdoor space, backing onto a ravine, and even a balcony.
I agree, but enough about the outside. The inside is truly turnkey, fully renovated property. Take a look. Guys, you've seen these two units now, absolutely beautiful legal turnkey packages.
For more information on this listing and others, check out our website.